Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that can significantly strengthen an enterprise's cybersecurity posture. AI offers sophisticated capabilities that can significantly enhance the detection, prevention, and response to cyber threats. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Artificial intelligence can analyze vast volumes of network traffic in real time to identify unusual patterns that may signify a breach or an attack far beyond the capability of human analysts. AI algorithms are excellent at detecting deviations from normal behavior in system or user activities, which are often indicators of potential security incidents. Secondly, AI can predict potential security threats by analyzing historical data and identifying trends. This enables proactive measures to mitigate risks before they materialize into actual threats. AI systems can gather and analyze threat intelligence from various sources, including dark web forums and hacker communities, to predict and prepare for upcoming cyber attacks. Artificial intelligence can build profiles based on typical user behavior and subsequently flag actions that deviate from the norm, which might indicate a compromised account or insider threat. AI technologies can contextually analyze behaviors to distinguish between false positives and genuine threats more effectively. AI systems can manage and automate the patching process, ensuring that all systems are up to date with the latest security patches. AI can ensure that security configurations across the network are optimized and consistent. Integrating AI into existing cybersecurity frameworks can be complex and requires a strategy that considers both technical and human factors. Deploying AI based cybersecurity solutions requires specialized skills and knowledge, both in terms of AI technology and cybersecurity. The use of AI in cybersecurity must be managed with a keen awareness of ethical implications, particularly concerning data privacy. Overall, AI is a valuable tool in the cybersecurity arsenal, but it should be used in conjunction with other security measures. A comprehensive security strategy that combines human expertise, robust security procedures, and AI powered threat detection can significantly enhance an enterprise's ability to defend against cyber attacks. Let's look into today's headline. Deloitte India digitally enhances its CIC by adopting IBM Cloud. In a strategic move to digitally enhance its Cyber Intelligence Center, that is CIC operations, Deloitte India has announced that it will be adopting IBM Cloud Infrastructure Services and migrating its Security Operations Center, that is SOC, from on-premise data centers to IBM Cloud, an enterprise cloud platform. Deloitte India's CICs located in Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Gurugram offer fully customizable managed security solutions ranging from advanced security event monitoring to incident response to meet the rising demand for cybersecurity services. Sonic to drive new partner heights at its upcoming Elevate 2024. Sonic has announced Sonic Elevate, its premier partner event, where it will detail its recent acquisitions and preview its solution roadmap, which is helping organizations center defensive measures from cloud to endpoint. Sonic valued partners and customer community has generated incredible momentum over the past several quarters. Sonic Elevate will involve sharing key updates on its network security products, threat intelligence, as well as its newly acquired additions. The government responds to concerns regarding recent mobile service tariff hike. The Ministry of Communications has clarified the factors influencing the recent increase in mobile services tariffs, majorly emphasizing the role of market forces and regulatory frameworks in maintaining low mobile services costs in India. The response given by the ministry claims the government's focus is on protecting subscriber interests, fostering older growth through investments in cutting-edge technologies, and ensuring the financial viability of the sector. Xiaomi aims to source over 50% smartphone components in India by 2025. Xiaomi plans to increase local sourcing of components for its smartphones in India through new partnerships with local component manufacturers. The company, which has completed 10 years in India, will now be expanding and deepening the component ecosystem within the country. Xiaomi has also set an ambitious target to sell 350 million devices over the next 10 years. As of 2023, 35% of the non-semiconductor bill of materials for a phone is locally sourced in terms of components. Noventic and AWS collaborate to expedite global cloud and AI adoption. Noventic has entered into a strategic collaboration agreement with Amazon Web Services. The partnership is designed to deliver scalable, secure, and innovative cloud solutions, including machine learning and generating artificial intelligence that is services to businesses worldwide, fostering growth and efficiency. Novantic will accelerate the digital transformation of enterprises, SMBs, the public sector, and startups across key sectors such as financial services, manufacturing, media and entertainment, and retail worldwide. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.